What is good, YouTube? I hope you guys are having a great day. I know I am. And today I want to talk to you guys about three items that I've been using personally, and I think every creative should have in their camera bag. And I think these are very, very useful items. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here are the three items. The first item is from a company called SmallRig, and basically it is a portable, kind of like a tool kit that has 7 of the most popular screwdrivers and Allen keys. And this is super useful if you're out and about, and if you have to take something out from a camera, like a tripod mount or anything. It's really useful, and it comes in a small little carrying case. It's actually really high quality. It's a good hard case, and it's really nice. I like it because it's pocketable. You can take this literally anywhere. You can also put it into a key ring loop, so you can take it with your keys, I guess. But I mean I wouldn't do it, but you could do that. And overall it's very useful. I bought this from Amazon for I believe $35, and I think it's a good buy. It's made out of metal, so it's good quality and super useful. Alright, and the second item is basically this cool rocket shaped looking air duster. Again, I got this from Amazon, and this is super useful if you're trying to clean your lens or your keyboard and you have dust and you can't clean it with your hands or a cloth. You kind of just pump air into wherever you're trying to clean, and it cleans for you. And it's super handy. It's good to have in your camera bag or just at home, and it's fairly cheap. I believe this was like $13. And everything, again, everything will be in the description below. This is a solid buy. It's not the best quality, but it gets the job done, so I definitely do recommend it. Lastly is extra batteries, and this is super useful. If you're out, and if you're relying on one battery, most of the time, if it's not a long shoot, you'll survive. But sometimes, like when I'm shooting and my battery dies, it's always nice to have extra batteries. So this is again from Amazon, from a company called Neewer, same company that made lights that I made videos on. If you want to check that out, I think it's on that side right there. But yeah, check that out. And basically, it comes with a little charging dock for 2 batteries. It comes with 2 batteries, and you're able to charge via USB-C or micro USB, which is super convenient because USB-C everything. But yeah, the batteries are good. They last almost as long as the original genuine Sony batteries, which is pretty amazing. And it's literally half the price. You get this for $60. Instead of paying $120 for just one single battery. You get 2 batteries and a charger for $60, which is not a bad buy. And having this charging dock is super useful because when I bought my Sony camera, it didn't come with a charger. It just came with a micro USB cable, and it was not convenient charging via micro USB. Having this is super useful, and I definitely recommend it. There you have it, the 3 items that I think every creative should have in their camera bag. And I use these items every single day, and it's something that I definitely recommend myself. All 3 items will be in the description below, so you can check it out yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please let me know by hitting the like button. Comment down below if if you want to see something else, any recommendations for videos. I'm always reading comments. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new here, subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace. Also, if you haven't already followed me, please go ahead and follow me on TikTok. It's Kuzi98. Instagram is KuziD, and Twitter is KuziD. All right, peace.